Hello and welcome to the Clarified Better Academy. Today on the show we will discuss the various types of plates used in restaurants. Plates can be made of a variety of materials. In a restaurant, we use ceramic variations, however in a quick service restaurant we may use some other materials as well. Recently we have also seen a renewed interest in compostable plates, especially for takeaway operation. So now let us learn about the various sizes of plates used in the restaurant. But before we do that, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. This channel is for you if you are working in the hotel industry or interested in making a career in hotels. We have training videos to upgrade your knowledge and help you progress in your career. Plates are divided into uses based on the size. These sizes are more or less standard in the industry, however some restaurants use custom sizes as well. The smallest size of plate is the bread and butter plate, also called the B&B plate. It is around 6 to 7 inches in size. You should measure the size end to end to across the diameter to get the plate size. The appetizer plate is 7 to 9 inch, however you could have small plates that are 4 inches as well. Dinner plates range in size from 10 to 12 inches. Anything above this size is usually considered to be a platter. You also have the pizza plate, which is a flat plate. They may be 12 inches to 16 inch to accommodate the pizza. That is it. Those are the sizes of plates used in the restaurant. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Also do check out some other videos. At just over 2 minutes, they can really be useful if you want to quickly learn something.